If you want to turn on the ringer on your iPhone so that you can hear when somebody calls you, or so that it's not super quiet when somebody calls you, I'll show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, there are a couple things we're going to change. The first one is ringtone and alerts. You can see this volume slider. Make sure to turn this all the way up so that it's as loud as possible. However, if you have silent mode turned on, it won't matter if the volume is turned up because it will silence all calls. So all you need to do is toggle silent mode off, and this should help. However, if you don't see silent mode, it's because you have an older iPhone, and right above the volume up, there should be a toggle switch. Just toggle it towards the front of the iPhone screen to turn off silent mode. However, keep in mind, still do not disturb could be silencing those calls. So let's check that. Tap the back arrow, and from here, scroll down and tap on Focus midway down. On any of these, if you see the word on next to them, like Do Not Disturb or YouTube, you need to turn that off so that you'll be able to hear it. So swipe down from the top right, and then press and hold where it says YouTube in my case, or it might say Do Not Disturb, and just toggle it off by tapping on it, and this will disable that Do Not Disturb, and you should be able to hear all the calls. At this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for watching this video, and I really hope this video made your life a little easier today.